आप पार्टी के लीडर आतिशी ने बताया कि दिल्ली के वज़ीर आला अरविंद केजरीवाल ने अपनी जमानत में 1 हफ्ते की तौसी के लिए अदालत में दरख्वास्त दाखिल की है। मीडिया से बात करते हुए आतिशी ने बताया कि जब केजरीवाल ईडी की तहवील में थे, उनका 7 किलो वजन कम हुआ था। डॉक्टर्स ने इस पर तशवीश का इजहार किया है कि वो चाहते हैं कि वजन बढ़ाने के लिए उन्हें मजीद 1 हफ्ते की जरूरत है, क्योंकि मौजूदा सेहत से उनके दूसरे आज़ा पर भी असर हो सकता है।
Delhi's Chief Minister Mr. Arvind Kejriwal has filed for a 7-day extension of his interim bail. As everybody knows, when he was in ED custody, when he was in judicial custody, he lost 7 kgs of weight. This sudden weight loss, unexplained weight loss, is a matter of concern for doctors. Despite being out of custody and under medical supervision, he has not been able to regain that weight again. Early tests have indicated that his ketone levels are extremely high. Unexplained sudden weight loss along with high ketone levels could be the indicator of some serious medical ailments, including damage to the kidneys, including cancer as well. And therefore, doctors have suggested that he needs to have a set of series of investigation, including PET scan of his entire body and other such serious tests. Because for diseases, be it like cancer, be it like kidney diseases, detecting them at early stages is extremely important because these are rapidly progressing diseases. So this is why we have asked for a 7-day extension so that he can get all of these tests done, start whatever medication has to be started, and then 1 week later, on 9th, he would surrender instead of on 2nd.